Hello everyone! Facing issues with your Samsung soundbar's volume control can be very frustrating, especially when you're in the mood for immersive sound. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Samsung soundbar volume control not working. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned gadget enthusiast, we've got the solutions that will help restore your soundbar's volume control functionality with ease. Step 1. Check remote control batteries. One of the most common issues with volume control involves the remote. First, check if the remote control for your Samsung soundbar is working properly. Often, the simplest solution is to replace the batteries. Remove the old batteries and insert fresh ones. Ensure they're placed in the correct orientation as indicated in the battery compartment. Once replaced, try adjusting the volume again. If it works, then your problem may have just been low or dead batteries. Step 2. Inspect physical connections. Next, ensure all physical connections to your soundbar are secure. Loose or damaged cables can interrupt signal transmission. Disconnect and reconnect the cables connecting your soundbar to your television or other devices. Check for any visible damage to the cables and consider replacing them if necessary. Additionally, if your soundbar uses HDMI ARC, make sure the correct HDMI in port is utilized for proper data transmission. Step 3. Reset soundbar settings. If the physical connections seem fine, resetting your soundbar settings might solve the problem. Turn off your soundbar and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Power it back on and attempt to control the volume. This simple reset often clears any minor glitches affecting functionality. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause issues with device performance, including volume control troubles. Use the Samsung SmartThings app or visit Samsung's official website to check for firmware updates for your soundbar model. Follow the specific instructions provided to install any updates. Updated firmware can enhance performance and correct bugs, possibly including those affecting volume control. Step 5. Pair remote again. If your remote is still not working correctly, it might need to be paired again with your soundbar. Refer to your soundbar's manual for pairing instructions. Typically, this involves holding down a specific button or combination of buttons on the remote to initiate the pairing process. Once paired, try adjusting the volume once again. Step 6. Test with other devices. To ensure the issue is not confined to a specific device, connect another device, such as a smartphone or a tablet, to your soundbar. Try using Bluetooth or a direct connection to see if the volume control issue persists. If the soundbar works well with different devices, the problem could be related to your original device settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and know how to fix Samsung soundbar volume control not working. From checking your remote batteries to updating firmware and testing with other devices, these solutions cover a range of potential causes. Ensure your sound equipment is set up correctly and regularly maintained to prevent future disruptions. With the soundbar running smoothly again, you can enjoy your favorite films and music with the high-quality sound that Samsung promises. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. See you next time.